The power within mindset and the entrepreneurial journey. Entrepreneurship is a journey, a path that is often unpredictable and full of surprises. It's a path filled with challenges and triumphs, where every obstacle is a lesson and every success a milestone. Your mindset is your compass, guiding you through the uncertainties and helping you stay focused on your goals. It guides your actions and shapes your reality, influencing every decision you make and every step you take. A strong positive mindset is essential for success. It fuels your passion and keeps you resilient in the face of adversity. What sets successful entrepreneurs apart? It's their unwavering belief in their vision and their ability to adapt and grow. It's not just about having a great idea. It's about nurturing that idea and turning it into reality. It's about having the right mindset to navigate the ups and downs of building a business, to persevere when times are tough. It's about embracing the unknown and transforming obstacles into opportunities, seeing potential where others see problems. This is especially true for Onpassive founding members. You are pioneers, charting new territories in the business world. You are building something truly unique and innovative, something that has the potential to change the world. Your journey requires courage, vision, and an unwavering belief in the power of your dreams. It demands dedication and a relentless pursuit of excellence. Remember, your mindset is your most valuable asset. It is the foundation upon which you build your success. Cultivate it, nurture it, and watch as it empowers you to achieve extraordinary things. Your mindset is the key to unlocking your full potential. But before we go any further, please remember to subscribe, like, and comment below. Thanks. Champions of change, resilience, adaptability, and innovation. These qualities are the bedrock of success in the ever-evolving business landscape. What makes a successful entrepreneur? Resilience, adaptability, innovation. These are not just buzzwords, but essential traits that define the journey of every visionary leader. These are the hallmarks of those who dare to dream big and build the future. They are the ones who turn challenges into opportunities and ideas into reality. Resilience is your ability to bounce back from setbacks. Every entrepreneur faces challenges. It's about having the strength to keep moving forward, no matter the obstacles. It's not about avoiding failure, but learning from it and coming back stronger. Each failure is a stepping stone to success, a lesson learned. Adaptability is crucial in today's ever-changing world. Markets shift, technologies evolve. The ability to pivot and adapt is what keeps businesses relevant and competitive. You need to be flexible and willing to adjust your course. Embracing change rather than resisting it is key to long-term success. Innovation is about finding new and better ways of doing things. It's the spark that ignites progress and drives growth. It's about challenging the status quo and creating something truly unique and valuable. Innovation is the heart of entrepreneurship. These traits are not innate. They are cultivated through dedication and perseverance. They are developed through experience, learning, and a commitment to personal growth. Every step taken, every lesson learned, shapes the path to success. Thriving together, cultivating success in the Onpassive ecosystem. The Onpassive community is your greatest asset. It's a network of like-minded individuals who share your entrepreneurial spirit and vision for the future. Within this supportive environment, you have the opportunity to learn from each other's experiences, share knowledge, and collaborate on innovative projects. Engage with your fellow Onpassive members. Participate in webinars, attend events, and connect with others online. Share your challenges and celebrate your successes together. By fostering a culture of collaboration and support, we can empower each other to achieve greater heights. Remember, you are not alone on this journey. Section 4. A growth mindset is essential for entrepreneurial success. It's the foundation that allows you to see challenges not as obstacles, but as opportunities to innovate and improve. It's the belief that your abilities can be developed through dedication and hard work. This mindset encourages you to push beyond your limits and strive for excellence in every endeavor. Embrace challenges as opportunities for growth. Each challenge you face is a stepping stone towards greater knowledge and expertise. Don't be afraid to step outside of your comfort zone and learn new things. The willingness to explore uncharted territories can lead to groundbreaking innovations. The more you learn, the more you grow. Continuous learning is the key to staying relevant in a rapidly changing world. The world of technology is constantly evolving. Staying updated with the latest advancements ensures you remain competitive. Make continuous learning a priority. Invest time in acquiring new skills and knowledge. Stay updated on industry trends, and be proactive in seeking out new information. Explore new tools and resources, and integrate them into your daily practices. Never stop seeking knowledge. The pursuit of learning is a lifelong journey. Onpassive provides access to a wealth of educational materials and resources. These tools are designed to help you stay ahead of the curve. Take advantage of these opportunities to expand your knowledge and enhance your skills. Embrace the journey of continuous learning and watch your potential unfold. Section 5. Onpassive founding members, you are pioneers of a new era. You have the vision, the drive, and the power to shape the future. Embrace the entrepreneurial mindset. Cultivate resilience, adaptability, and innovation. Surround yourself with a supportive community and commit to continuous learning. The journey ahead may be challenging, but the rewards are immeasurable. Believe in yourself, believe in the power of your dreams, and never give up. The future belongs to those who dare to dream big and take action. Go forth and create something extraordinary. The world is waiting to see what you will achieve. For more information about Onpassive and how to make money online, please go to the description below. Thank you, and I hope you have a great day.